Hadi Choopan, famously known as the Persian Wolf, has become one of the most inspiring and dominant figures in modern bodybuilding. His story is not just about building muscle. It's about breaking barriers, overcoming adversity, and proving that passion and determination can make dreams a reality. From humble beginnings in Iran to winning the prestigious Mr. Olympia title, Hadi's journey is the ultimate tale of hard work, discipline, and resilience. Born in September 1987 in the small village of Abno, Fars Province, Iran, Hadi's life was far from easy. Growing up in a working-class family, he faced financial struggles and a lack of resources. But what he lacked in opportunity, he made up for with ambition. Inspired by bodybuilding legends, Hadi began training with basic equipment and limited guidance. His early years were fueled by sheer determination as he built his physique against all odds. Hadi Choopan first gained attention in the Iranian bodybuilding circuit, where his powerful structure and insane conditioning made him stand out. His nickname, the Persian Wolf, was a perfect description of his relentless style and fierce presence on stage. Unlike many bodybuilders who take years to refine their conditioning, Hadi was known early on for his razor-sharp definition, thick muscle density, and flawless symmetry. He earned his IFBB Pro card in 2018 and quickly established himself as a threat to the world's best. His breakthrough moment came when he stepped onto the international stage and competed against elite pros, shocking fans and judges with his complete package. Hadi made his Olympia debut in 2019, placing third, an incredible achievement for a newcomer competing against legends like Brandon Curry and William Bonac. That moment solidified him as a top contender and gave fans hope that a champion from Iran could one day win the Sando Trophy. In 2020 and 2021, Hadi continued to improve, bringing unmatched conditioning and muscle maturity. His ability to present a polished, aesthetic yet freakishly powerful physique separated him from his competition. Finally, in 2022, Hadi Choopan achieved his dream, winning the Mr. Olympia title. This victory was not just a personal milestone, but also a historic moment for Iran and the Middle East. Hadi became the first Iranian bodybuilder to ever hold the Olympia crown, inspiring millions of fans worldwide.